Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a PayPal phone number. This is useful if your old number is no longer active, if you changed your mobile number, or if you simply want to make sure your PayPal account has the correct contact information. If you want to update the phone number connected to your PayPal account, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can make the change without any confusion. Keeping your phone number updated is important because PayPal may use it for security checks, login verification, account alerts, and recovery options if you ever have trouble accessing your account. First, sign into your PayPal account as you normally would. Once you're on the main account screen, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon. This gear icon opens your account settings, which is where you can manage personal details like your contact information. If you're using PayPal on a mobile device, the layout may look slightly different, but the settings area is usually found through the profile icon, menu, or gear icon. After you open the settings area, find the phone number section. Here, you'll see the phone number currently linked to your account. Select the phone number you want to delete or replace. Make sure you're choosing the correct one, especially if you have more than one number listed on the account. For example, you may have one number marked as a mobile number and another listed as a home or backup number, so take a moment to check before making any changes. Next, click Change. This will open the editing option for that phone number. At this stage, PayPal may ask you to confirm or update the information associated with your account. Just follow the prompts shown on your screen. This extra confirmation is normal, especially because phone numbers are connected to account security and may be used to verify that the account owner is making the change. Now enter the new phone number you want to use. By adding the replacement number here, PayPal will remove the old one from that spot. This is the key part to understand. Instead of simply leaving the field blank, you typically replace the existing number with a new one, and that update removes the previous number. This is helpful when you are switching from an old number to a new one and want your account to stay active and easy to verify. Before saving, take a second to double-check that the number you entered is correct. It's always a good idea to make sure there are no typing mistakes, because your phone number may be used for account verification, security alerts, or login confirmation. Also make sure you include the correct country code if PayPal asks for it, especially if you recently moved or use a number from a different region. Once everything looks right, save the change. After that, the old phone number will no longer be the one attached in that section, and your updated number will be in place. Depending on your account settings, PayPal may also ask you to verify the new number with a code sent by text message, so keep your phone nearby just in case. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, deleting a PayPal phone number is really just a matter of opening your settings, selecting the number, clicking Change, and entering a new one to replace the old one. Once you know where the phone number section is, the whole process becomes very quick. If you're updating outdated contact information, this is a quick and useful step to keep your account accurate and secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.